Look for the small ones. There you go. Good job. Okay. To grab you a handful and sprinkle it over there under the tree so the birds can find it, okay? Go ahead. There's plenty to sprinkle. Good job.
Not too much, guys.
Go ahead. No, go ahead. Do it all. We're going to do it all.
Whoa.
Get out of the yard, please.
I can run big bread.
Good job. All right. Know that there are birds over here. This is where we're going to put the food. Let me show you how to spread food for the birds, okay? It's a black nest, right? I wonder what bird lives in that nest up there. Now, Anastasia, you be on the lookout. Use your binoculars. Can you guys spot any birds yet? Where do birds live? Where do birds live? Where do birds live? Do they live in a house? They live in the trees. So we need to be looking up in trees, right? Look up in the tree and see if you can spot a bird.